Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA, Cardano. We have bounced off the support level of the channel as suggested in the previous video, and we have already come into this retracement area. So that was a good idea, I guess, suggested in the previous video. We said that we are here, probably in an uptrend for ADA, that we could move into this in this channel. And there was a strong suggestion that there could be a bounce from the support level of the channel into this wave 2 retracement area, because my view is that there is a good chance that we are actually in a breakout pattern, but even though it's a bit messy, but then we count this as a wave 1. Then we have here the A, the B, an overshooting wave B, and the wave C is unfolding at the moment, the wave C of 2, and that would take us a bit lower. There's two targets we calculated in the previous video. The first target is the 37.3 cent level here. The second target is the 34.7 cent, so 37.3 and 34.7 cents are both possible targets for this decline of ADA. But this is subdividing obviously into an ABC, and we suggested, or I suggested, that we are already in the C wave, and that in the C wave we've completed a wave 1. There would be a retracement in wave 2, and next we will break down in wave 3. Now at the moment you can see we have reached the target area. The point is now we need to see how does the price react to this, because obviously I can't rule out that we get a deeper retracement than this, but this area is the ideal retracement area for wave 2. So in here I would primarily look for the retracement now to finish. So at the moment this is calculated as the area between the 38.2 and the 61.8% retrace, so between 41.4 cents, 42.4 cents. If we get above that, I would still allow it to go all the way up to the 78.6 retrace, which is the 43.2 cent level. But anything beyond that would suggest to me that something else is going on, maybe something more bullish, and that we might have to look at the wave count here again and say, okay, maybe we are in some kind of a weird diagonal pattern, maybe a wave 1 here, a wave 2 here, a wave 3 here, a wave 4 here, and the next wave would be a wave 5, and that we then get a stronger retracement afterwards. But as long as this is valid, we can focus on this. There is a key support level here, which is the 34.7 cent level. Only if we break below that, I would consider again a more bearish viewpoint. Please understand that at the moment this is just a bullish idea. This is a bullish potential on which the chart can build. This is not guaranteed to work out because we are still very early. We don't really have a lot of confirmations yet. Bear in mind we have come down recently all the way down to 33 cents, and we have turned around there, yes. And for now we're making higher highs and higher lows, but this is not it's not a very clear impulsive wave structure. It only works if I count this here as a wave 1, and then here an A, B, C expanded flat pattern with an overshooting wave B, which is actually, you don't see it too often. You do see it, but it's not too frequent, so it's not ideal. So it's not the, let's say, the most ideal pattern, but the alternative bullish potential is to count it as a diagonal, which is also not a great way of doing it. So, and the third option is, of course, just to assume this is just a correction and we will come down impulsively afterwards. But this will really only prove or show itself if we really lose this 34.7 cent level, because if we do that, then I would have to assume that we're also going to lose the 33 cent level, which is the low here from the 21st of October. But that's sort of my view about ADA at the moment. So I think it can go a bit higher, as I said, right? But then at some point here I would expect a move to the downside. Now again, we really only have evidence if we break above that 78.6% retracement that I mentioned, that something more bullish is going on. And then when we come down, we would need to, for evidence that we are in wave 3, we need to break down below the low of this wave 1, so around 40 cents, right? And break out of the channel to the downside. And then that would really give us a lot of confirmation that we are in this third wave to the downside. Now, what makes me think a bit, maybe we are in something more bullish, so maybe we are in this diagonal pattern that I mentioned, is just the view that Ethereum seems to have presumed or resumed with the uptrend, Bitcoin as well. So maybe we need to be a bit open to the idea and that would suggest that we're actually here already in an uptrend. But again, I gave you the key levels. When they get broken, then it is high probability that we are in a different pattern and may have already seen either the the wave 2 low here as a diagonal, you know, or something else more bullish is going on. But I'll definitely keep you updated. But this is certainly the next key decision point here that we have just reached. All right, that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.